Lowest common multiple problems. Problem 1. 2 fireworks are fired at the same time. The first one is fired every 54 seconds and the second every 72 seconds. How long after the start will it take until both fireworks are again fired together? Now what we'll do here, we'll find the lowest common multiple of 54 and 72, and that will be the time that they are fired together, they're next fired together. So let's do that then. So we'll write down 54, and rather than doing a factorial like I did in the previous video, I'll do it slightly differently. Okay, 54 is equal to 6 times 9, and that is 2 times 3, that's what 6 is, and 9 is 3 by 3. So I've broken it down into all its prime factors. Now 72 is 8 times 9, and that's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 by 3. Now I'll find the highest common factor, and so we'll circle all the common factors. So there's a 2 there, and a 2 there, there's a 3 there, and a 3 there, and there's a 3 there, and a 3 there. So we can say the highest common factor is going to be 2 times 3 times 3, and it's going to give us 18. But we're not after the highest common factor, we're after the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple is equal to, now it's 54 times what's left over here. That's why we need to find the highest common multiple, the highest common factor, so we could get those, what was left over, which is 2 by 2, and that's going to give me 216. Or I could have said the lowest common multiple was equal to 72 by what's left over at the top here, times 3, and that also will give us 216. So either way will give you the result, and that 216 is the time it will take for them to start again. So there'll be 216 seconds, or that is 3 minutes and 36 seconds. Okay, problem 2, a slightly harder one. You've got 3 fireworks this time, and they are fired at the same time. The first one is fired every 24 seconds, the second every 36 seconds, and the third every 48 seconds. How long after the start will it take until all the 3 fireworks are again fired together? Again, this is a lowest common multiple problem, so we're going to find the lowest common multiple of 3 numbers this time. So we'll start off with the 24, and we'll do the same sort of thing as we did before in the first problem. So we'll write those 24 is equal to 2 times 12, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And we'll do the 36. I'll write that as 3 times 12, which is 3 times 2 times 2 times 3. And the 48 as 4 times 12, which is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And as before, we'll go through and find out the highest common factor. So we've got a 2 there, we have a 2 there, we have a 2 there, we have another 2 there, we have a 2 there, and a 2 there, and we have a 3 there, a 3 there, and a 3 there. Okay, so the highest common factor, as you would expect, is going to be 12. You could have seen that from here actually. So the highest common factor is equal to 12. Now the lowest common multiple, I have to be a bit careful with this one. The lowest common multiple is, now we start with the 24 times, and we move on to the 36, and we notice that we have to, because we've got all these included here, there's the 3, the 2, and the 2, the 3, the 2, and the 2, but that one's not included, so we have to include that one. And we move on to the this one here. Now this one's got the, we've got 3 2's altogether, but here we've got, and one of those 2 is included, so we need an extra 2 here. So we'll take that 2 as well, right? And now we've got them all in. So that's the lowest common multiple, and we multiply that all out, we get the result of 144. So it would take 144 seconds for them to start again, which is 2 minutes and 24 seconds.